Hello viewers at home, I'm Victoria, I'm here with Bridge Cable, and today I have with me our employee spotlight.
Jhalil.
Thank you so much for coming. So what we're going to do is we're going to ask you a few questions. Some of it's based off of your profession and others are just to get to know you. So be prepared.
Network cabling is a hardwire that actually used to connect two electrical points. My dad actually does construction, so I wanted to be a little different, so I actually did electrical. My uncle does plumbing too, but yeah, that's different too, so I wanted to do electrical.
Okay, so everybody in your family likes to work with your hands?
Exactly.
Well, that's good.
Studying hard work, showing up on time, actually taking in the advice that the older guys give, my helper resistance. Yeah, just showing
Hard work
up.
always pays off.
Me, ballet.
Really? Why ballet?
I feel like I'm good on my toes.
Well, that's a good answer.
I like to play 2K. I like to draw, like art. I like to play keyboard too, like music. Really. So,
A specific 2K or?
2K19, the latest. I think running wires.
Running wires?
Yeah, I feel like it's kind of a puzzle. So yeah, I like puzzles. So yeah, I like running wires.
You like to think?
Yeah, I like to think outside the box. Yeah, I actually was born in Connecticut.
Okay.
No, I was actually born in Philadelphia. I was born
Lying
in
to
Philadelphia.
me.
Germantown. I actually was born in Germantown, Philadelphia, near Chestnut. Yeah.
Alright, so you're very local.
Yes. That's what I mean. I met PNB Rock before. He's actually from my neighborhood.
Okay.
Yeah. So I met him before. He's cool. I met Alicia Keys too. I like her. My snips, yep.
What do you use them for?
Actually.
Oh, you have them on you. There you go.
Yeah, my snips. So I'm dealing with electric. Electric is always dangerous, so you guys paying very close attention and not skipping any steps. So yeah.
Details the key, right?
Details the key. Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.
I need an 8-piece nugget. Yep.
They have the great
Chicken
service.
sandwich with American cheese, Chick-fil-A sauce, and that's all.
Good thing you don't work on Sundays.
Yeah.
Or else you won't know what to do for lunch.
And that's gonna be a late lunch. I'm gonna take that around 2 o'clock. I'm gonna get sleepy. So. My favorite movie is actually Hall Pass.
Okay, why Hall Pass?
It's funny. I like to laugh a lot. It's a late night comedy, so it's very funny. My favorite TV show actually Thundercats. I like cartoons.
Right.
My dad actually. That's my dad's favorite show too. So that's where I got it.
Classic.
It's a lot of hard work. You have to be dedicated, and electrical trade is kind of a trade you have to really set your mind to and actually do it. You kind of in and out. It's not for you. Yeah, that's the real key. Showing up is key. Show up, everything else will fall around. You'll learn everything else.
Be a hard worker, detail-oriented, learn.
Yes.
And you'll be where Jhalil is right now.
Show up one time.
Alright, well thank you so much.
Thank you.
And thank you everyone at home for watching. And stay tuned for our next Employee Spotlight. I'm Victoria. Have a good day.
Bye.